A VBO is just an array on the GPU side. Do not be afraid, my friends. We are inside of ArtGirl INI, where we set up all of our different render pipelines down here, and we are going to add some data that the shaders can use. So it's called a VBO for Vertex Buffer Object. It's just an array. The first thing we're going to do is create a buffer. A buffer is a fancy-ass word for array. We're going to get a ticket to it and store it in artgirl.vbo. The next thing we're going to do is tell WebGL to get ready to use that VBO. We're going to treat it as an array buffer. Then we are going to upload data to that VBO. This is the vertex buffer data on the CPU side. This is the number of elements in the vertex buffer data. We need to use this command with array buffer because we use this command with array buffer. You can see that I said that the VBD is the CPU copy and the VBO is the GPU copy of the same exact data. The next thing we need to do is a little bit of refactoring. This is the positional attribute within the shader. This is the texture attribute within the shader. Here is our vertex shader. You know that this was originally a 0 and this was originally a 1. They still will be 0s and 1s by the time they get to WebGL because this is a fancy text replacement feature of multi-line strings in JavaScript. This works just like a macro. You have been on the shorter tutorials. If you want to go to something a little bit slower, you can go here, or you can go to unscripted. Thank you. Have a nice day.